Hey everyone, it's Auto Avenue back again. Today we're taking a look at the all-new Toyota Yaris Cross, a 2024 model that's shaking up the small SUV scene. This luxurious ride boasts a ton of features in a compact package, making it perfect for city dwellers and adventurers alike. So, buckle up, gearheads, because we're about to dive deep into everything the Yaris Cross has to offer. From its sleek design and powerful engine, to its top-notch technology and safety features. Let's see if this Toyota lives up to the hype. Perfect for city driving. The small size and good visibility make navigating tight streets and parking a breeze. The hybrid powertrain with the electric assist gives you a zippy feel when starting from a stoplight. The ride can be a little firm on bumpy roads, but overall it's comfortable. While not ideal for speeding, the Yaris Cross handles highway driving well for a small SUV. It rides comfortably at higher speeds, and the wind and road noise are comparable to similar cars. The engine might get a bit loud if you push it hard, but the standard features like adaptive cruise control and lane assist make for a relaxing ride. The Yaris Cross holds its own on curvy roads. The suspension limits body lean while taking corners, and the steering is light and accurate. It has good grip, so you can feel confident maneuvering. But it's not the most exciting car for sporty driving. The Yaris Cross offers comfortable seating for 4 adults, but headroom might be tight for very tall people in the back. The trunk space is decent at 397 liters, but there are competitors with more cargo space. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of the latest video uploads. Space and practicality, seating. Comfortable for 4 adults, tight for 3 in the back middle seat. Front seat space. Plenty of space with adjustable seats for all sizes. Heated seats and steering wheel available on higher trims. Storage. Decent storage with cup holders, a small glove box, and a spot for your phone. Trunk space, 397 liters, expandable to 1,000, and 97 liters with folded seats. Not the most spacious in its class, but still functional. All-wheel drive option. Reduces trunk space to 320 liters, but provides extra traction. Boot features adjustable boot floor on AWD models, luggage hooks and belts, and an electric boot on the highest trim level, activated by foot gesture. The interior of the Yaris Cross may not be the most cutting edge, but it makes up for it in functionality and build quality. The cabin uses soft touch materials throughout and has a logical layout that's easy to get used to. An optional panoramic sunroof adds a touch of sophistication to higher trims. In terms of infotainment, the Yaris Cross offers 2 touchscreen options, an 8-inch or a 9-inch unit. Both systems come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the larger screen adds built-in navigation and wireless smartphone connectivity, while the system is easy to use with physical buttons for climate control. The graphics can feel dated and the touchscreen can be laggy at times. The Yaris Cross comes with a 1.5-liter self-charging hybrid engine that delivers impressive fuel economy of up to 64.1 mpg for the front-wheel drive model. All-wheel drive is available on the top trim, but it sacrifices some fuel economy for better traction in slippery conditions. Safety is a strong suit for the Yaris Cross, with a full 5-star Euro NCAP rating. It comes standard with a pre-collision system, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims add features like rear cross-traffic alert and a 360-degree camera system. As a relatively new model, there's not a lot of data on the Yaris Cross's long-term reliability. However, Toyota has a reputation for building reliable cars, and the Yaris Cross shares many components with other Toyota models that have proven to be trouble-free. The standard warranty is 3 years or 60,000 miles, but it can be extended up to 10 years or 100,000 miles, with regular maintenance at a Toyota dealer. How much is the Toyota Yaris Cross? The Toyota Yaris Cross's price depends on which country you're buying it in and the options you choose. But to give you a general idea, in the UK, it starts at around £23,420, which is roughly $30,446 USD. This is for the most basic model with front-wheel drive. If you want all-wheel drive and more features, the price can go up to £35,215, which is around $45,779.50 USD. Even with those features, you can still find savings through CarWow, which could bring the price down by as much as £2,570, around $3,445 USD. Thank you for watching our detailed review of the all-new Toyota Yaris Cross 2024, a luxurious one. 5L small SUV. Explore more about its stunning interior and sleek exterior by clicking the links on your screen. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting car reviews and updates. See you next time.